sobrang obedient niyan. From year 1 niya hanggang ngayon, sobrang masunurin niyang anak. Hindi yan sumusuway sa akin.
She turns 18 tomorrow and steps into adulthood. We ask that you guide her path. Help her grow with confidence, patience, and strength. May she always know her worth, chase her dreams, and never be afraid to be herself.
Sorry po for waiting, pero ito na tayo, mag-start na tayo. Let's enjoy the night and thank you sa pagpunta. Salamat.
Happy birthday, Chloe! We love you so much.
Stay pink, girly.
And stay kind.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Chloe! Good gig! Yow!
I just want to say how proud and grateful I am to be part of your special day tonight. Huwag mong problemahin yung love life. Kasi dadating at dadating din yan someday.
Happy birthday, Ate Chloe! Sana tumanda ka pa at sana di ka sa love life mo.
Ayoko na malungkot ka kung hanggat maaari. Lahat ng problems mo, nandito lang kami ng mga tita mo, ako, si mama at papa. Susuportahan ka namin all the way. Sana matupad lahat ng mga wish mo sa life. Susuportahan ka namin all the way.